half cream cheese, 4 egg yolks, a little bit of vanilla, 3 squirts of coconut stevia, 7 drops of lime essential oil, and I'm gonna put a little bit of the stevia powder, which is I put in here, and does it melt? Okay, and then I'm gonna measure 1/3 cup almond flour. And then I'm gonna blend that all together. Okay, and then I'm going to fold this in. This is lacto fermented lemon, and I'm just gonna do a little of this liquid brine and add it in. Like that much. That. I know what you're thinking, because I'm thinking the same thing. There's not enough to do this pan. But don't worry, I got it figured out. So this has half a thing of cream cheese, and it has a few drops of stevia, and I'm going to add just a little bit of butter. I'm making a frosting for the top of this cream cheese dish. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think is how much I want to do with this lime. 4, 5. So I put too much stevia in here, so we're going to do some lemon juice to balance that out. Okay, so we added the lemon juice, it tastes better. I'm going to add a little vanilla, and I think I will add, actually, a little piece of my lacto-fermented lemon. I like it. It's tangy. It's good. I have no idea how long. After trying the cake, we decided it needed something else, and so I took a can of coconut milk, some more stevia, and some chia seeds, as you can see right there, and some berries. And I did a mixed berry from Costco with no sugar added. It is lower in sugars and carbs, and I blended that all together so that I could create something really creamy. The chia seeds will thicken the coconut milk, and so tomorrow it'll be ready to scoop some on top of this delightful tart cheesecake that I made, and it will just even out and balance all the tastes. I want to challenge you to make up a recipe. I know you've got it in you. It's a lot of fun.